Hello! This morning at Toddler and Early Years STEM, one of the things we did was make a water fountain. A water fountain is very easy to make. All you need is a plastic bottle, make a hole in the middle of the bottle, pour some coloured water into the bottle and stick a straw into the hole. Then put a balloon over the top of the bottle and let the air from the balloon push the water out. It's a very fun experiment.
The water's coming out. Now that's clever. We like that, that's clever.
For more fun experiments, please refer to my book, 50 Fantastic Ideas for STEM Activities. Thank you for watching Toddler and Early Years STEM. Goodbye.